Hey everyone, my name is Spursh and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can jailbreak with the Checkra1n latest version, that is 0.12.0 on Windows machine using the custom ISO file. You can jailbreak iOS 14, 14.0.1, 14.1 and the latest 14.2, and all the devices that are having A10 and A11 chips are supported with this model. That means iPhone 7 series, iPhone 8 series, iPhone X, iPad 6 and 7 generation, iPad Pro 2nd generation and iPod Touch 7. And in my last recent video, I made a Checkra1n 0.12.0 on macOS method. In that I have explained each and everything in the new version, like what are the changes and what are the bug fixes. So watch that video first to get all the complete information, and then you can prefer this video and start this process. Now before going to the jailbreak part, I have a small request for all of you guys. There are a Silsy Jailbreak Awards 2020 is running. If you love my channel and love watching my videos, please go and support me and vote for me. I will give the award links in the description and the pinned comment also. You just need to go there and vote for me. The voting lines will be closed on 16th of November. So please go to this link and vote for me and give full support, and also share with your friends. Your one vote will help me a lot. Alright, now to first jailbreak with the Checkra1n 0.12.0, you will need the Checkra1n custom ISO file that are modified by me. You will get the two links, one for the Mediafire and other for the Megalink. First you have to verify yourself, and then you can scroll down, and then you will get the free access button. Just click on that. It will redirect you to the download page, and now you can easily download the custom ISO file from here. And if you want the Mediafire link, you can also download from there. The process is same. You need to just click on the Mediafire link first, and then you have to verify yourself, and then you need to just scroll it down and click on the free access button, and it will redirect you to the main Mediafire link. Then you can download from there. Now I have already downloaded the custom ISO file for Checkra1n 0.12.0. First you will get the zip file. After that you have to just first extract it. So there is a zip file. Now you need to right click on it and extract it. You can use any zip extractor like WinRAR. After that you will get the folder. Just open it, and you will get the three files. One is for ISO file and other two for the instruction file. And now if you are a beginner or new to the Checkra1n jailbreak or making the USB bootable part, go to this readme file. It has all the steps written here. You need to use the Rufus tool to make the USB bootable, and Bellinature will not work, so make sure that you will use Rufus only. So for downloading the Rufus, just Google it or go to the official website. You will get the latest Rufus version, that is 3.11, and it's a very small software to make the USB bootable. You can just download the latest version from here. After that just open it. Now you need a USB stick. You can use 1 GB, 2 GB, it's your wish, or you can also use the memory card with the memory card reader, and you can make the USB bootable. After that just import the ISO file you have just downloaded. Now you have to select your partition scheme. If you have a GPT partition scheme, you can use that, and if you have a MBR, you can also use that. So both are supported. It support UEFI and the old legacy BIOS both, so it will run on every PC. After that just click on start, and it will start making the USB bootable. If you face any error while making the bootable, make sure that you have connected with the internet. On the first time of bootable, it will install all the necessary files to installing this ISO file. So it will automatically download by the Rufus. Now it's done. Just close the Rufus tool, and you need to restart your PC. And now you have to just simply boot it from your USB. So go to your BIOS option or boot manager and select your USB stick. You can get the two options, one for the UEFI mode and the other is the old legacy BIOS mode. So you can select according to your PC. It supports both Intel and AMD 32-bit and 64-bit processor. It's a UEFI mode. So you can directly boot it from that and it will automatically load the Checkra1n 0.12.0, that is latest. I will show you both the modes. So if you have a old PC, you can boot it from the old legacy BIOS. Now as you can see, Checkra1n is loaded successfully and it says 0.12.0 directly custom ISO file version, and it's latest, and it has all the options that are in the macOS version, so you can choose according to that and you can start jailbreak your device. Now I will show you the second mode, that is the old legacy BIOS mode. So if you have an old PC that I have told you previous, you can use this mode and it will also work. So let me show you. Just click on that and then the process is same. It will load the Checkra1n directly from the old legacy BIOS also. So just wait for the 2-3 seconds, it will automatically load up. Now you can clearly see both the modes are working. UEFI and the legacy BIOS both are running perfectly, so you can boot it according to that. Now I will connect my phone and start the jailbreak process. For now I have a iPhone 7 that is running on the iOS 14.1. You can also jailbreak the 14.2, that is latest. In A10 and A11 devices, the difference with the 0.12.0 version is that in A10 devices you can set the passcode and the fingerprint after the jailbreak, or you can also jailbreak the passcode device. And in the A11 devices, that are iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone X, you cannot set the passcode or a Face ID after the jailbreak. So make sure that you watch the macOS method first. In that I have cleared each and everything about this new official version. Now as you can see, my device is connected. Now just go to the options. Now in the Checkra1n option, you will get the one extra important option. If you want to jailbreak A11 devices, that is iPhone 8 series and iPhone X, you need to allow and take this option to jailbreak A11 device only. And keep that in mind, you have to allow this option only for the A11 devices, not for the A10 or A10X devices. If you have a other A10 and AX devices like iPhone 7 series and other, you can directly proceed without allowing any option. So I have cleared two things, so keep that in mind, or watch the macOS method. In that I have explained in detail each and everything from the Checkra1n official website. Now you need to just put your device into DFU mode, so just follow the instruction on the screen. Now it's booting. After that you will see all done on the Checkra1n app. That means your device is successfully jailbreak. Now you can see it's showing all done and my device is turned on. Now you can wait for the Checkra1n loader that will appear on your home screen. So connect with your Wi-Fi. Now as you can see, the Checkra1n loader is here. Now just open it. Now just tap on Cydia and install Cydia. Now it will install the Cydia on your device. After that you will see the Cydia on your home screen. Now just click on that and you are ready to install any tweak from the Cydia. Now you can see it's perfectly working and I am jailbroken iOS 14.1 on iPhone 7. You can jailbreak 14.2 also, so method is same for that. And now I will set the passcode. So I will clear you once again. On the A10 and A10X devices, the passcode and the fingerprint will work. On A11 devices, the passcode and the Face ID will not work. So if you jailbreak above model like A11 models, you need to just allow the BPR option and just allow it and just start jailbreaking and your device will be jailbreak. But you cannot set the passcode and the Face ID on that device. But on the A10 and AX device, you can easily set the passcode and the Touch ID. So let me just set any passcode. Now you can see the passcode is working perfect after the jailbreak also. there is no issue. Now I will just reboot my device, and after that I will jailbreak the passcode device. Now I have a set passcode on my device. Now if you have a device that have a passcode and it's running on the iOS 14 on iPhone 7 series, that means A10 and AX devices, you can jailbreak with the 0.12.2 without any issues. So I have just connected my device and just normally start jailbreak. Now you can see the jailbreak is done and it's perfectly working if you set the passcode also. So it's a good thing. The all bug issue is fixed in the 0.12.0, so you don't need to use the patch version. Now you can use the official version that is more stable and secure. So you can install Cydia and the other things. So this is how you can use the Checkra1n 0.12.0 to jailbreak your device on Windows machine using the custom ISO file. So I hope you like this video and gain some knowledge from this. So make sure that you hit the like button, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel for more cool updates. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.